XRP on our chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to my last analysis, since the price was within here, we discussed how we can look for buy, and this is what we get. And after we see this correction, we should know how to manage it. For the traders, if they haven't taken the trade in the profit, at least they should know how to manage it or take the trade in the break even. Mostly if anyone get the trade for buy from here. Okay, because since after we get this drop, if you remember, if since the price was here, we have been looking for the next drop. This is what we get. Then if we mention any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. This is what we get. And I mentioned, mate, this is not the one is going to continue and break this correction. Okay, and that's why I mentioned any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And may this is not the one is going to continue and break this correction, and we can expect the reversal can be similar to what we had here. That's why we mentioned if there is no continuation, we should know how to manage it. Okay, and at this point, if anyone get the trade for buy, if they are still keeping the trade, they should know how to manage it. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for, and based on daily chart, we mentioned we looking for this one as a correction. And since the almost the price tag the previous low, okay, but and we mentioned any reversal for buy from there, we will take it. And the best is if the price could conform break out the break the previous low without the shadow, because what we get here, we see the price tag in the same day reverse. Okay, that means still there is a possibility for price to retest the previous low before we see the reversal. But any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And based on daily chart, if we get the reversal, at least we can look for 82, then following by 94 cents. Okay, anyway, this is what we are looking for. But if the price retests the previous low, we have to wait for the reversal opportunity for buy before we take the trade. Simply, we cannot take the trade in case the price continue and drop similar to what we had here. Okay, that's mean at this point, I don't see any trade setup. The only thing is whoever get the trade for buy, as what I explained based on 1 hour chart, they should know how to manage, at least move their stop loss to break even. And if we move to 4 hour chart, we see we had a divergence. That's why we look for the reversal. If the price drop and break this low following by divergence, again we look for buy, but we have to wait for the reversal. Okay, at this point, whether we can look for buy, whether we can consider this one as a correction relative to what we have here for continuation. Okay, in that case, if anyone wants to look for buy, okay, simply we cannot take the trade. We have to look for the reversal as a sharp move flag before we take the trade. That's mean if I move to lower time frame, okay, no, as I mentioned, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. But how about if the price reverse from here and we didn't see the price retest the previous low, at least retest here, okay? In that case, if we want to look for buy, either we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. Mostly we have to look for the 15 or 5-minute chart. Then having entry above this can be an option for XRP because it didn't drop that much in compared to Bitcoin and the ETH. Okay, I'm comparing to those two. Then having entry above this, in case the price sharply tag break and continue, can be an option, either above here or above here. But we should know that this option is really risky because simply the price can tag and drop. That's why if the price tag, we see there is no continuation, we shouldn't keep the trade for more than 2 hours. Okay, that's why if we move to higher time frame, if we move to 4-hour chart, that's why if the price retests the lowest price of this correction, mostly following by divergence, this is the best we can look for buy, because we should be aware of internal correction. Okay, anyway, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. We have to wait and we discuss about the different possibility, but whoever get the trade for buy from here, they shouldn't, from here at this point, they should know what to do. Okay, whether they want to keep the trade or move their stop loss to break even if possible. But if anyone wants to look for buy from here, also I mentioned how we can look for trade, but we consider as a short term. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.